As the coldest temperatures of the year start to settle in, many turn to alternative heating sources. If you are using a space heater or a portable propane heater, please remember these important safety tips. When using an electric space heater, place it on a solid, flat surface and keep it at least 3 feet away from any flammable objects. Check the heater for cracked or damaged cords and always plug it directly into a wall outlet. Never use a power strip or extension cord, as this significantly increases the risk of fire. When using portable propane heaters, never operate an outdoor heater indoors. Always ensure the heater is appropriate for the environment by following the manufacturer's guidelines. Like space heaters, keep propane heaters away from combustible materials and place them on a non-combustible surface. Regularly monitor the heat level, ensure adequate ventilation, and have a properly functioning carbon monoxide detector in the area. And remember to never use alternative heating sources while sleeping or in an unsupervised area. By following these safety tips, you can keep you and your family safe during these colder months.